YouTube, what's popping, what's popping? Let's get straight to it, y'all. So what I'm doing right now, we're gonna look at this breakdown, live breakdown of a trade that I just sent to the signal chat. I was out when I took this trade, literally out, and I had no choice but to now record it as I got back to the crib. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So overall, you can see this is a 23.6 retracement. Key things that stood out here is one, the market is super bullish, right? So we're flowing with the trend, very trendy right now. So we continue to ride with it. 4-hour time frame, we could look at this and we can see at this retracement, look at all this exhaustion, bro. I always talk about exhaustion. That was ugly. Let me draw it again. Boom. We always talk about exhaustion. Exhaustion is a very key thing within my trading strategy that helps me a lot. Okay, so seeing that all of this exhaustion wicks at the bottom side of the candle, that means the bearish pressure was very weak in this area. Key thing. And then also look at this strong push up with this strong bullish candle. So off rip, pairing along those two, and me knowing the characteristics of a 23.6 retracement, we already know that's a continuation type of move. So boom, go back down to the 1-hour time frame. Look at this. So obviously you already know I love the break and retest. It's happening so much, bro. We got to take it, we got to respect it. It's super clean. All right, flowing from the left to the right, you can see this was the retracement. This was the first low high point, and the market was continuing to retrace, right? Lots of bearish pressure that was within the market at this point. Boom, strong push up and literally breaking structure, breaking and forming a new high, higher low point, retest, off to the races. Simple. I do this all the time. Very simple concept. You all should be able to see that. If you go through my live videos, you will see plenty of times that we catch this same pattern. So save it, write it down in your notes, screenshot it, screen record it, whatever you got to do. This is the most powerful and the most lethal concept that I utilize within my trading, the break and retest. Simple. So looking at this now, the only thing we need to see from here is get down to the lower time frames, which will be our entry time frames, and boom, look at this, man. I'm gonna take away this purple drawing from here. Super clean. So this, to be real with y'all, this is one of the most beautiful entries I've taken all year. It's only just started. We only in 2025, but at the end of the day, very beautiful. Look at this, y'all. Textbook. When I say you textbook, I mean this can't get no better than this. Break, resistance, lower high point areas, breaking the counter trend line, new high, higher low, rejecting from this level of structure, which was a resistance and now turned support, rejecting from the moving average. Oh my God, like, this is beautiful, bro. So textbook, break and retest, higher low point. And then as we on this 30-minute time frame, you can see we got the beautiful entry confirmation, which is a beautiful bullish engulfing right there. So boom, all of that together paired along with all this exhaustion, it just was textbook, bro. It was literally, I mean, this was a giveaway, bro. I couldn't say no. I can't even get the words out to really define the type of feeling I had when I looked at this. I was like, bro, like, this is too easy. So boom, you got an entry confirmation there, and literally just took off. And from there, just straight into profit. So of course the market will fluctuate, but that's where we're at. We already hit our first TP, which was right around here at this level for 60 pips. So we already pretty much secured what we risked, but also we have TPs up here at 117 pips for 1 to 2, and obviously all the way up here as we gradually ride out this move. So the biggest thing I wanted to show you all is I've definitely been documenting and talking a lot about this funding challenge that I took with funding pips, the 1-step challenge. And look at this. Boom. Fund it, baby. Fund it, y'all. We passed. I did this plenty of times, but I'm just saying it's been a while since I took a challenge. I took a long break from taking funding challenges. At one point, after taking a bunch of them and passing and failing, of course, it comes with the game. But it definitely took a toll on me for a while, I will say, towards like the Q4 of the year. I literally just went straight live and took away from challenges and got away from it. And it definitely helped my psychology, my mind in general is a lot clearer. But everybody in my Discord community is taking challenges. So I was like, you know what, bro, why not? Let me get back in there, take me a challenge. I took a 1-step challenge. All right. I always used to take 2-step challenges. So since me getting back into the game and everything, I noticed they had a 1-step with funding pips. That's the only firm that I've used lately, since all the different changes of, you know, other prop firms coming and going. But for the most part, funding pips has always been good to me, so I've stuck with them. But yeah, bro, we funded past 10% goal for a 100K challenge. So from here, you know, possibly next week, I guess, we get back into it and we be able to trade. So man, this is pretty much it. Very simple process, very simple trade, super textbook entry, and it's ending the week off. It's Thursday. Just gonna let this ride out. Who knows? We'll see how this plays out. Mainly just wanted to get this recorded in so we can see how this moves moving forward. Also to record the current movement that we have right now and show you all, of course, the funding challenge that I just passed, man. It's crazy, bro. 110, man. We back in it though, baby. We back in it. It's been a while, but we're gonna continue to keep running it up. Take some more eventually once I get a payoff from this. I'm not really too pressed about, honestly, with funding challenges. It's been a while since I've taken them. I've been trading straight live. That's my main focus, but it is nice to have this, of course, as another account. Other than that, man, peace and love to everybody. I love y'all, man. I appreciate y'all supporting. Continue to please like, comment, subscribe on this video, the rest of my videos. I have tons of live breakdowns. You can go back. I have them organized in a playlist so you can see tons of different videos. I'm giving away a lot of information, a lot of sauce on how I trade personally. I feel like there's a lot of gems, a lot of golden nuggets in there that you can benefit from, especially if you trade price action. All right. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it, man. I ain't gonna rant. I ain't gonna talk y'all head off today. I love y'all, man. I appreciate the support. And let's continue to keep going up. Let's keep grinding. I'm out of here. YouTube, what's good? And just like that, we are out 272 pips secure on this move. Just want to show you all the final result. As you can see, price had literally shot up and it never really pulled back. We did get a higher low point right here. We had some nice level of structure start to be built right there. Nice level of support. If you go down, you can find entry confirmations. Could have taken an entry somewhere in here off of this bullish variation on a 15-minute or even on a 30-minute if you wanted to use this as a bullish variation there. But lots of opportunities right there to actually scale in if you wanted to. Today is January 24th, 2025. It's Friday, right before the New York session opens up, and we just secured 272 pips on this move on gold. So this is the final result of the signal that I sent last night. I recorded the first half of the video when we were around here. I just wanted to go ahead and update you all so you can see the final result. Super clean, man. It went straight up in the profit. Didn't really have any type of drawdown at all. No type of sweat. We did form a higher low point up in this area. We had some nice structure built. You could go down to 30 and 15 to try to get some scale in entries. But I mean, at this point, it's so close to TP. I don't really scale in at this high. At this point, it didn't really make sense. But again, 270 pips gained on this buy on gold. Super clean, very easy to see. And like I said, man, it's literally textbook break and retest. That's really it. Retest the moving average. Retest structure, seller's exhaustion at the bottom side, bullish engulfing on the 30-minute. Just like that, stop loss below it, TP at our fib target on a 1 hour. And this is why fibs is so powerful if you know how to utilize it the right way. As you see, right on the head, boom. So in and out, and it was a 1 to 4 risk reward opportunity, which was crazy. But other than that, man, that's it. Peace and love to everybody. I promise y'all I'm gonna keep going, keep grinding, and keep dropping quality content. I love y'all and appreciate the support, man. Like, comment, subscribe on this video and any other videos, man, that I have. Let's continue to grow. Let's continue to grind. Let's keep pushing. Let's keep striving to be great. I'm out of here.